Alright, tangent and normal. So if you would still remember, differentiation is actually finding a slope of the tangent. So actually, we would be able to find the slope of tangent if we're given a curve. Say for example, I want to find when y equals to x minus 2x squared plus 3, and I want to find the slope of normal, slope of tangent when x equals to 2. So all you need to do is you differentiate it, y dash equals to 1 minus 4x, and substitute the fx in it. Substitute the x point in it, so we'll have 1 minus 8, which is negative 7. So the slope at the tangent is negative 7. Nice and easy. However, if we need to find the equation of the normal, we need to have a few more steps. So now what we can do is we got the slope here, and we need the second point when x equals to 2. I need to find y now. So put x into the original function. So I have 2 minus 2 times 2 squared plus 3. So I have 2 minus 4, 8 plus 3. So I have negative 3. Which means that now I got a point 2, negative 3, and the slope negative 7. So with your ways, either with the point slope form or y equals mx plus c, you will be able to find the equation. I usually use the y equals mx plus c. So y equals to mx plus c. C. And now we have our y when x equals to negative 3, and negative 7 times 2, which is the point, I can find the constant, which is the which is y-intercept. So negative 3 equals to negative 14 plus c. Throw the negative 4 to the other side, the negative 11. So c equals to negative 11. So therefore, our equation would be y equals to negative 7x minus 11. Let's do another one. Now this time, given y equals to root x plus 1, I want the equation of tangent when x equals to 4. So now, first of all, a few things. I differentiate that bit, but I do not like the square root, so I change to it alike. So, and then I differentiate it. So when x equals to 4, y would be equals to root 4 plus 1, which is 3. Which means that I got the point 3, 4. And the slope would be equals to 4 substituted, so I change it to the look I like again. So we have 2 to 1 over 4. Now we can put them into the equation for the y equals to mx plus c. You don't have to write that, just make it a bit clear for it. So 3 equals to 1 over 4 times 4 plus c. So 3 plus 1 equals to 1 plus c, c equals to 2. Therefore, our equation will be y equals to 1 over 4x plus 2. But life will not be as nice as we thought. We might need to find the equation of the normal. So the first thing we need to find out is the relationship between the normal and tangent. If I have a curve here, if this is the tangent, the normal will be the perpendicular line. which means that slope of tangent times slope of normal, this is normal, tangent slope of normal will be equals to -1, which in general I will teach my students to remember like this. The slope of normal will be -1 over slope of tangent. Which help us a little bit more on finding the equation of the normal. So let's have an example with that. Alright, so if that is the case, we need to find out a few things. So differentiate first. So I got 3x squared minus 12 is our differentiator equation. So when x equals to 3, y will be equals to 8 minus 24 plus 2. Because we put the equation inside, put a 2 inside. So I got -14. When x equals to 3, that is our point. And now I need the slope. So differentiator, slope of tangent, will be equals to 3 times 2 squared minus 12 equals to 0. Oh no. So if this is a tangent, this is, which is the slope, which is 0, which means it's a horizontal line. So slope of normal will be infinity because it's never happened. But the equation of the normal will be the vertical line, so it will become x equals to 3. This is not a good example. Let's try one more. So given y equals to 5 over root x minus root x. This should be better. Find the slope of normal when x equals to 1. Yep, that should work. So now I hope. So now I change the look to whatever I like first. Then we differentiate it. So when x equals to 1, y should be equals to 5 over 1 minus 1. So 5 which is 4. Our point is 1, 4 there. And the slope of normal should be equals to, this is 1, substitute whatever it is. So it will become, slope of tangent first. So it becomes -2. -5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 become -3. Now we got our point, we got our slope. However, this is the slope of tangent. I need the slope of normal. So slope of normal will be -1 over slope of tangent, which is 3. Yay! We got our point, slope, we got our point. So for y equals to mx plus c, you can skip this line in your exam. So we have 3 equals to 4 equals to 3 times 1 plus c. So 4 equals to 3 plus c, c equals to 1. And now we have our equation. y equals to 3x plus 1. This is our equation of normal. So remember the few steps. Differentiate it, substitute the slope, substitute the x point to find the slope and the point, and you can use y equals to mx plus c to find the equation.